little break, and now this contract is finally picked up by etherscan. So go ahead and click next to this 2. This is the actual contract. And let's go over to contract, verify and publish. And then we'll see if this, if they know our compiler version this time. Yes, great. And then we'll just go ahead and click through. Oh, and then one thing, unfortunately, is I forgot to go to advanced configuration and turn on optimization. So in this case, we actually won't change that from Node.js. If you did, then good job, and make sure that you do so appropriately. I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste our code into etherscan, and then say I'm not a robot. Oh, great. Okay. Well, let's see how well I do on the CAPTCHAs today. All right, traffic lights. And then this should work. Yep. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click on over here because we're going to need that contract ABI like last time. So we'll scroll down. We'll go ahead and copy this. You can click export, and I think that that downloads the file. I like to just copy paste though. Oops. All right, so that's some old stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new terminal session, I guess, and make that quite a bit bigger. And then head over to our current directory in Web3 calculator Dapp. We'll just go ahead and make a file. Probably makes more sense to do this in Visual Studio Code, I just realized. But you could do it from the command line as well. All right, so we'll create a new file. This will be just our abi.json. And I pasted that in. Go ahead and save. All right, so we have our JSON. It's a good idea to always hold on to your solidity code as well. You don't really have to, of course, because this is on etherscan now, but maybe you want to go back and kind of copy paste from what you've made before, or just remind yourself how you did something. So we'll go ahead and create a new file and call this calculator.sol, and paste and save that on in. Okay, and then for the next part, we're actually going to modify our index.js to handle, instead of using these JavaScript functions, to use the contract code. And we also need to modify our index.html to have our connect button. And we're going to do this with the Web3 library that we installed in the very first part of this video series.